Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn on silent mode on iPhone. So there is multiple ways to pull this off. One of them is set the ring or the silent switch depending on your model of iPhone so that the switch shows orange, and to turn off the silent mode set the switch back. On iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can turn on silent mode by going ahead to the settings and then sound and haptics and basically turning on silent mode. So this is one way to do it. Another way to pull this off, you could just go ahead and you're gonna see the volume up and down on your left finger, I should say. Then just make it lower and lower basically, and you'll be able to make that volume to the silent, and basically you won't receive or hear a phone call or any other notification if you turned off, or sorry, made the volume down, all right, or switched to the volume down, or made the volume go way down. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you, or the last method that you can pull this off, you can see why on your left finger you're gonna see volume up and down. Just move along and you're gonna be able to see like a kind of a switch, right? So just basically hold it to the left, right? So just make it to the left, right? And basically you will be able to turn on the silent mode, and just hold right here and make the silent mode goes off by moving towards the middle, right, or towards your face basically. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just make it like this, right, and the silent mode will be turned off. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.